guys, welcome back to my channel, or technically I am back from my little break. I took 2 months off. Life is life and things happen, but I realized I was like, I kind of miss making my videos, and it makes me happy, so I am back. And today I have, as you can tell by the title, a pastel Christmas bedroom tour. I'm gonna make it a little bit more casual, not super like crazy. I just kind of want to show you things that I have gotten to add into my room, and yeah, so maybe I'll do like part of it like a haul, and then the other part, obviously I can't just like grab my Christmas tree and show it to you, so I will show it to you. It's actually behind the camera right now. So yeah, but yeah, I make videos, girly, vintage, shabby chic videos, all that kind of stuff. So if you guys like that stuff, subscribe. It does help my channel, and I would definitely really like to get more back into my channel. I've really neglected it, and it's just not something that I want to do anymore. I miss it. So yeah, anyways, I thought what better video to come back with something lighthearted and fun, and I know that you guys like watching vintage girly Christmas videos just like I do. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Actually, before we do, this is a new top that I got from Lip Shack Fancy. Just wanted to let you guys know, because sometimes you guys like to know like where my top is from, or like my dress, or whatever I'm wearing in the videos. So if anything, I'll try to list, well, I got it off eBay, so I could list the eBay listing, and that way you could see the name of the top and then look for it if you guys like it. But it's like a tube top, but she's got like off the shoulders, or I'm not really sure if she's supposed to be like this, but she doesn't stay like that. So anyways, let's get on into it. Hi. Okay, so this is gonna be the haul portion of this video. I know it's like super disorganized. I have to show you guys this as best as I can. This is a picnic basket from the Simply Shabby Chic line. I found it on eBay, and she's so adorable. She comes with 4 plates, and then I also have like some other shabby chic plates that I added in here. I can't wait to use it. I am so excited, and they're plastic, so like they're not gonna break, which thank God. And then they come with these beautiful like napkins. I'm literally obsessed. And then in here I just have my Love Shack Fancy blanket that I'm going to use as a picnic blanket. But like, is she not stunning? I'm dead. Like literally my favorite thing that I have gotten recently. Let me put back the plates. I just imagine having like, some cute little sandwiches and some wine and a charcuterie board, and just with your shabby chic basket. Literally so cute. I had to show you guys that. Let me show you the rest of the stuff. Okay, so the next thing I had to show you, which I show in the video a little bit, it's this vanilla cupcake candle. Vanilla cupcake candle by Yankee Candle. It was on sale for $5 at Bed Bath & Beyond, so run, don't walk, run. This is amazing. I love sweet candles, especially during the Christmas season. And yeah, I just thought this would be a cute essential to show you guys. Really organized today. The next thing that I want to show you guys are these cute gift wrapping papers. So I got this one. It has like pastel pink Santa Claus on it, and this is from Target. This one is, I think it was $5, I'm pretty sure. And then this next one I got is from HomeGoods, and it's a pastel pink snowman little print. I hope it's focusing. This one was only $2.99 at HomeGoods, which is freaking amazing. But yeah, so every year I try to get cute wrapping paper. I have wrapping paper from last year that has bows that I got from Target, and I literally traveled to the furthest Target from my house because they said they had it in stock, and I was determined to get it, and boy did I stock up. And that's what you should do when you see something amazing. These are some cups that I got from HomeGoods. They're, let's see if it show. They're like a mint color Snoopy cup, and they'd be so cute for hot chocolate. I don't know, I just got them. I needed them. And I also got these, which are very popular. I think they bring them like literally every year at TJ Maxx and stuff. These are $3.99, and they just have beautiful little pastel snowflakes on them. I didn't show yet because I didn't know where to put it. Honestly, in my room is so small that I'm like, I need my own place at this point so I can decorate like and buy more stuff. So I got this pastel pink like set of 3 trees, and then I hot glued pearls on it just to add a little bit more. I don't know, to me they kind of remind me of like a little pastry or something. I don't know. These might be cute actually on my cake stand over there, so maybe we'll do that. So you know me, obsessed with Shabby Chic line. I got these, and they're these, sorry the lighting is like glaring, but they're these 3 sets, or the set of 3 Shabby Chic ornaments, and the box is so pretty that I'm gonna have to keep it. I need to keep it. But I'm gonna put them on the tree soon. I think they have velvet ribbon. Oh my gosh, to hang him up. That is adorable. She always goes above and beyond matching the aesthetic of things, and it's amazing. So I got this beautiful pastel vintage cookie. If she would just focus on her. She's like a mint color. I don't know why she's not wanting to focus. It's kind of annoying. I think I fixed the problem. We'll see. I'm not really quite sure. Look at how cute this little pastel sugar cookie is of a little reindeer. Obsessed. So yeah, I got this on Mercari. What I would advise you guys to do if you want to find stuff like this is just type in pastel Christmas sugar cookies, pastel Christmas decor, pastel Christmas anything. Just anything in that area, type it in, because you will find gems that you can't find anywhere else. And then I got the gingerbread cookie thing, cake. I don't even know what this is really. It's like a cookie tower. And when I tell you that I've been looking for this for a whole 2 years at this point, like I literally am not kidding. And I only got the small one because I had to buy it on Mercari. I can't find it anywhere. And then you can put batteries in and she lights up. But honestly, this thing is like mining for golds. Like everybody can find it somehow. And then they sell it on, you know, Mercari, Poshmark, Etsy, all that stuff for like $70. Like, it's insane how much people run up the price. And I'm just like, dude, we just want to be girly in our room. We just want pastel. Is it that hard to get your hands on a beautiful gingerbread house? Apparently it is. So, okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is this wreath. On the door right now, it's just so dark, the lighting, so I just thought I would show you up close. But this is what she looks like. So for the first part, I think I've showed you guys this in my last room tour that I did, which was a couple months ago, honestly. So I basically just kind of added a little bit of Christmas to her. But I got this beautiful gingerbread house that's from HomeGoods, and she actually lights up. And then I also found this one, but I got this on Mercari because it's literally impossible to find at my HomeGoods, and I don't know why, like for what reason. But yeah, so those are the 2 things I added, and then I added some lights, but I just didn't turn them on right now. And then I just have this beautiful crown that you might have seen in an older video, and then this like mannequin dress thing. Sorry about my phone. And then here I just have, what's called? I can't even talk. A Simply Shabby Chic brand stocking. The lighting is so bad in this room. So, this is what she looks like. She says Happy Holidays, and she has like beautiful flowers. So I just put it on here for now. Over on my seat, I have this beautiful pink retro Santa Claus pillow and just my purse. Nothing crazy. And here is my Christmas tree. She's very pastel, shabby chic. What else would you guys expect at this point? But yeah, this is her with the lights on. It's kind of like I'm saying, the lighting is so weird today. But I still wanted to film for you guys. And then I'm going to show you down here. So down here I have my packaged Shabby Chic ornaments that I was able to find at TJ Maxx. Super cool. And then I have this nutcracker down here, my Rachel Ashwell book, and then I have more Love Shack fancy bags here, but I'm going to use them for decor under the tree until I have gifts that are already wrapped. And then I just have a bunch of pretty boxes down here, just to like fill her up underneath because I don't want her to be bare. But yeah, and then there's just some of my ornaments that I really like. I love this macaroon one with the little crown. I don't know, it just screams princess to me. And I also love this one. This is from 2019, as you can see, but it's like these beautiful baked cookies on the sheet, and I was like dying when I saw that. But yeah, so that's what's over here. But yes, so this is the overview of this area that I just got finished showing you guys. So I just put the tree in that corner. Sorry about the brightness, but nonetheless, she's so cute. I'll show you the little houses lit up because it's only the right thing to do. Okay, and these are what they look like. They're so pretty. I've literally been on the hunt for them, and like they're impossible to find because everybody freaking wants it, which I get it. Also, isn't this cotton candy ornament just so cute? I'm dead. Literally so adorable. But yeah, I love my tree. I got this at Walmart, honestly, for like 40 bucks. And she's a pretty good height. I mean, like, I didn't want anything too crazy because my room's like not huge. But yeah, and it was already pre-lit, so I mean, I can't complain. And so over here against the window, I'm going to show you like this because the lighting. I just have like the boxes I've collected from the Too Faced collection that they come out every year with during Christmas time. And then I have this little vintage Santa. Isn't he adorable? So that's just right by the tree. Stunning. Also, side note, I have to show you these because they're adorable. They're these mint color Snoopy hot chocolate cups. I'm dead. I got them at HomeGoods for like $3.99, and I just wanted to include them. I just have them over here. So moving on to the vanity, I have this beautiful like mint colored Christmas tree, and then I have another one that I got from Nordstrom last year. Literally, it's so cute with the aesthetic. And then I have like my little floral tray that you probably saw in my last room tour, and then another vintage Santa, but he's pastel pink. And then I have this candle that I actually probably should have lit up, but it's a vanilla cupcake. And then over here, I just have my Love Shack fancy water bottle. Just randomly. I never even open it because it's too cute. Also, hi. It's my outfit. And then over here, pretty much everything stayed the same besides I added a little gingerbread reindeer sugar cookie that I got on Mercari. And then I just have my vintage lamp, makeup brushes, and then this cute little like carriage frame. And then I'm not sure if I've showed you guys this, but I took a page out of like one of Rachel Ashwell's magazines, and I just put this page. It was so aesthetic. I just framed it, and I was like, that's so pretty. So yeah, let me show you an overview. So I haven't done my bed, so that's just the reality of things. But yeah, nothing crazy. I'm thinking the wreath that I showed you guys earlier, I might put it up there where I have the angel, but I'm not really sure if it's gonna look good there. So moving on over here, I have this beautiful like vintage tree cup that I got at an antique store, and it had like all these buttons, and then these two beautiful Christmas houses that are just made out of paper, like cardboard. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and this Christmas tree, which I still have to add batteries because she actually lights up. But yeah, if you wanted to know, I got these little paper houses from Target this year, so you can still get them. And then next to here, I just have this French like mannequin canvas, and then I added another Christmas tree because they're so adorable. I got this at an antique shop like I think last year, and it's from the Bethany Lowe collection. And that's pretty much it. And then down here, you guys, I got the cutest like shabby chic dog food area thing. What, I can't even talk. But I can link their Etsy shop down below. What's really cool is that their silver bowls are like made in order, I think it's like every time you buy one silver bowl, it equals like feeding a dog for a week, which is really cool. They have a cool campaign with that. And I just like it. It's like pastel pink. Super adorable. Like my dog has to live shabby chic just like me, so I had to splurge and get that. I hope that you guys liked this video. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. It's not really that organized. I kind of wanted to make it more like a vlog style. I want to get more into that just because I feel like you guys prefer that stuff. I mean, I prefer to watch those kind of videos as well, or like decorate with me, which I think I do have a few clips of me setting up the tree, so I'll add that into this video as well. But let me know what you guys want to see down below in the comments. Tell me, what is one thing that you're looking forward to in this coming season for Christmas? And that could be literally anything, as simple as like spending time with family, or honestly maybe going on a trip to New York City. I don't know. Let me know. I like knowing and hearing about that stuff. Like, you can get ideas. And yeah, I'm thinking of doing more faith related videos now that it's coming to Christmas season. I just feel like it's very fitting, and like that's something I want to get more into. I drifted a little bit away from faith, but just reminding you, a reminder that I have been told, is that it's never too late to come back. So God always has open arms. He's always waiting for us, and you know, sometimes we do drift away and we fall apart from things that, you know, are probably better for us to stay in. But nonetheless, we are always welcomed and loved, and I just want to leave you off with that. Ignore that notification, and I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye!